This is Cynthia, and my booth is called Cash for Fruits. It is specifically targeted for 5th grade students, and it highlights the career of a cashier. The techniques that this booth involves is to solve for products of decimals to the hundredth place, including the situation involving money, using strategy based on place value understanding, properties of operation, and the relationship to the multiplication of whole numbers. This carnival game relates to the real-world application of mathematics by allowing students to add, subtract, multiply, and divide as one would if they went to the grocery store to buy food. Students will have to perform math to find out the amounts, including the use of decimal places to the hundredth place value, for cash needed to quote-unquote buy a cup of fruit. The prize at this booth will be a cup of fruit that the students buy. This prize was chosen because of the fact that students will one day have to go to the grocery store themselves and manage money to buy food, hopefully to buy fruit. Teaching students about healthy eating choices is also part of the 5th grade TEKS. So for this booth, the teacher candidate will briefly go over different place values and their importance in mathematics. With this review, students should be successfully prepared for the activity at hand. Students will begin by drawing a card from the jar at one side of the table. Each card has a mathematical equation on it with either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division problems that satisfy the TEKS. For example, one card might read, I want to buy a cup of strawberries, which are 75 cents, and a cup of blueberries that are 89 cents. How much do I owe the cashier? The students would then mentally do the math. After he or she has the total, they will step over to the cash tray and find the correct amount. After totaling up the equation and grabbing the correct amount of cash and change, the students will hand the cash to the cashier, which will be me, after they have done their solution. The cup of fruit is going to be the student's prize for participating in the activity. So once they have given me their cash and their card that they drew out of the jar, they will be able to go over to the cups of fruit and grab one. Toothpicks will also be provided. The toothpick is for students to eat their prize in a sanitary manner. Another students would then draw from the jar, and the process would start all over again. There will be a poster board displayed on the table for students and teachers alike, which will help demonstrate different place values and properties of operation. There will also be a tab on the poster board where teachers can easily grab information about the Cash for Fruit activity, which will include a list of materials, TEKS covered, and insight information, and more. This is going to be my activity for the Math Career Carnival. I look forward to hearing your insights and feedback, and I hope that each and every one of you has a great day. Thank you.